Hi, good evening, everyone. I am Anitha Taj, an EduSkills family member. First of all, my sincere gratitude to Father Salim, Mini, and Nitya, and especially the discussion team members. If I talk about EduSkills platform, I think less than a year I am here already. But in the beginning, I was not having any idea how the steps, what steps we use to understand. So how to go. So we can see the new candidates when they come, they will say how to go step by step. The step by steps and all recently very perfectly Father has done for the coming the recent people. So when we were there, it was so difficult to understand. There was all the videos are there, but we never had any idea like where to start. We used to disturb the senior admins personally. We asked them how to start, where to start. But why that was not that was our personal problem only, because the patience is the key to success. So we did not have patience. That's why immediately after joining, we'll be asking, disturbing the senior admins who are there to help us. We immediately want to get everything together. But patience, with patience, when we were there, we will surely get. So the thing is, it's really a great privilege to deliver this vote of thanks to about this discussion platform. This initiative, that daily discussion, this is initiated not only to get OET subtest, to learn OET subtest. The main thing is to learn English for life. That is the main goal, as father say. So improve our English for life, not only for writing our OET exam. And more than just discussions, this platform has given us learning, collaboration, and motivation and growth. All these things we have received from this platform, and it helps us to practice constantly. And over the main thing is we it helps us to overcome hesitation in speaking and learn from each other's mistake and develop critical thinking. So this we understood about critical thinking. That means we talk each other when others says, we are not blaming, or we are, so that is called critical thinking, right? We learn to learn from others mistake. We learn from others mistake, or others learn from our mistake. So that is called a group, that is called discussion. So when we discussed, the main thing is that idea we did not have when we joined first. We really simply not discussing, simply not memorizing. You all of you know, my dear colleagues. See, each one question we take and we don't memorize it. Maybe the people who listen for first time, they think we just memorize and we just say. But we really, what we used to do, we understand, we analyze, and we apply in our knowledge, right? We apply, and finally, and also father help us to teach. So as father say, one teaching means 10 learning. So father given us opportunity to do that. And in when we are in the group, because of Nitya's strict guidance, right? Without, even though many times we were slip, and because of Nitya's strict guidance, we did not miss anything. Really, such a teacher is really needed in a group discussion. And mini, that is their secret bond, that good support, that really, and also mini, so much hard work helping us. We were all simply sending the PPTs, and she without fail a single day. Minnie was with her hard work. Thank you so much, Minnie and Nitya, for that. The words, I mean, it's not enough. Our words are not enough. And as we, so the finally, I just want to say, as we continue our preparation, even though this batch is, we are winding up, or we are concluding this batch, but we will not stop. We will continue, right? So we will continue, and we will continue our preparation, and let us remember words from our mentor. So, what are the words from our mentor? Practice makes us perfect. So, and to truly succeed in OET, we must not only study what we have to do, this everyone has to say it together, right? Really, we must fall in love with OET. We must fall in love with the learning process. So this is what I mean, that word sentence, I think, consists of everything. So again, I would like to finally, once again, I want to thank Father Saleen and admin panel, EduSkill platform for the wonderful opportunity you have been giving to each and every aspirants. Thank you so much.